So we'll start this video. Hello, Jeff.
Hello, Phil.
Welcome to Thailand.
It is a pleasure to be here.
Right, and right now, because we're doing the big speech, we are on the longest escalator in Asia, on the escalator in Terminal 21, Bangkok. Out through that window is the SkyTrain station Asok that we can't see. We just had lunch on the 4th floor, and you gave away all our money in a tip. I have to put that on record. Jeff's just awarded a tip to the young lady in the restaurant, the highest tip ever paid by a foreigner in Thailand. And we're now going to make our way to the MRT subway, and we're going to head out to a place called Talat Noi, which is a very old timepiece suburb, and we're going to see what happens.
And can't wait. Looking forward to it.
All right. Now, I just hope I remember to put film in the battery of the camera.
I should hope so.
Oh, okay. There.